In this video, I will show you how to send money within Emergency Hamburg. Now, it is actually very easy to send money, so let's get started. Now, the first thing you need to do is to open up your phone. So go to your inventory and then go to your phone. And here you see different apps that you can use. But what you need to do, or what you need to use actually, is the bank app. So tap on the bank app over here. And here you can see all of your transactions. But you can also, basically buy money through Roblox. And you can send money, and that is what we want to do in this case. So you can either search a username, and the user needs to be in the game, so you cannot send money to an offline user. So you can either search a user, or you just select a user from this list, for example Chris, and then you need to fill in an amount from between 1000 and 8000, so for example 1000, and then just press on OK, and then Chris will receive his money immediately. Please note that you can only send money like every, I don't know, 10 minutes or something, so keep that in mind. Other than that, it is very easy and simple to send money. So guys, I hope this video was helpful, and if this was the case, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.